Hello everyone, today we make matcha strawberry cake. It's really fantastic taste, a combination of matcha, combination with vanilla cream and strawberry, really wow. You will like it. It's only 3 eggs. This whole cake with 3 eggs only. Let's start. If this first time to watch my sugar emperor, please make subscribe, leave a comment and make like, sharing with your friend if you like it. Today we have very simple recipe. You will enjoy it. It's really fantastic. Let's say these eggs. You know all the dry ingredient, all recipe in description box below, always. 3 egg, 90 gram sugar. As you see, we mix it as a sponge. 75 gram flour, 10 gram matcha, 3 gram baking powder and pinch of salt. That's it. This is our cake. As you see, when it becomes spongy, I start adding the dry ingredient. Very important to strain all the dry ingredient, matcha tea, flour and baking powder. Then we mix gently. As you see, I try to make video fast, but you know, I mix very gently until combination flour, matcha tea, baking powder into the sponge mixture. Then I have cake ring 20 centimeter. This cake ring 20 centimeter. I spray oil, or you can brush with oil, or you can put butter. It's up to you. It's not really important, because if you pour the mixture into the cake ring, you don't need even paper. You pour all the ingredients inside, all mixture. Then it's time to baking. 175 for 30 minutes. It's not 40, actually it takes 30 minutes and the cake was done. I keep aside to cool down, and here 300 milliliter milk. Have vanilla bud or vanilla beans or vanilla steak, 3 egg yolk, 60 gram sugar, 25 gram cornflour, 4 gram gelatine and 225 fresh cream. First we soak the gelatin in very cold water or ice water. Then the vanilla is half vanilla beans. I cut down, I take all the seeds, I put inside the milk, so when boiling together, infuse the flavor aroma of vanilla. As you see, I keep all together, then I start to boil it in medium stove, not high. So sugar, corn flour and egg yolks, 3 together, that our creme anglaise. If you don't have vanilla beans, you can use vanilla extract, it's really nice. When it starts boiling, I make tempering little of hot milk to the egg yolks, just to temper, and return it back. It's exactly same process of creme patisserie or creme anglaise. When it becomes really nice, as you see, creme patisserie, I shut down, I remove the vanilla stick, then I added the gelatin. As you see, I added gelatin. I keep aside until cool down, really cool, in the fridge. After that, I take out from the fridge, I mix with whipping fresh cream without sugar. This whipping fresh cream, no sugar. Then as you see, I mix it all. It's ready I keep in the fridge until to prepare my cakes. Now matcha cakes is cooled down. I remove paper, the base, everything. I cut 2 tires from middle. As you see, matcha give nice flavor to the cakes. As you see, it's fantastic green. I have normal syrup with 1 gram of matcha tea. I mix it to be really intense syrup, so you can feel matcha tea in everywhere, in the sponge, in the cake, even the syrup. Now this cake is 20 centimeter ring, so I cut the filling to 15 centimeter. In this way I can keep inside the ring, because if the same size I will cover, the strawberry will not show up. Here I cut strawberry half. I try to find all strawberry same high. I put 1 centimeter between every one, so I have equal amount. Then I piping my cream, is already I put in piping bag. I keep between the strawberry so it keeps strong. Little cream in the middle. I put cubes of strawberry, and that give really nice texture. I added my sponge, and then I piping the rest of the cream. This recipe exactly for 20 centimeter cake ring. So I cover the cream, I keep in freezer 3-4 hours. Then I take the extra and I grate it to be powder, little crumble. And that's what I keep on top of the cake. One gram or less than gram matcha tea to crumble to give intense flavor. As you see, I strain all. My cake is ready after freezer. I cover with crumble matcha tea. So you have very tasty cake, very simple and full of flavor. Thanks for watching my channel, Ahmed Younes.